Okay, we have already copy paste. Yeah, yeah. You send the question and your trial, your working that you have try. Okay. Oh, you already give me. 1 minute. Okay, by using the property of inverse Laplace transform, uh, find the FT. So there is the reverse operation. So we have 1 minute. We have okay. Why this? It's okay lah. We just okay. Apa banyak sangat WhatsApp masuk eh? I think miss answer. There is a missing answer. Missing answer. It's okay. 1 minute. Oh, missing answer. Okay. 11. There is a missing answer at the 11. So it's okay. Still can do it. Don't worry. Maybe we can just compare with our friend. And if some students message me that he said we have no answer for the 11. So to check either correct or not, maybe you can send your working to me, and then I will chat to you, and we can chat together. So for 12, there is inverse Laplace transform. Okay, inverse Laplace transform. Okay, so we will have. So we need to reverse the table. So from B we have Fs equals to S over S plus 3 to the power of 2 plus 1, and then plus 3S plus 1 over S square plus 1. So mana you all punya ni? Saya tak ingat dah. Laplace table. Dia berbeza sikit. Laplace table tu, and then mana Laplace transform you all tu? Sekejap. Saya tak jumpa you all punya. Sekejap, saya stop presenting kejap. Nak cari you punya notes. Nota tu. Laplace kan. Okay, dah jumpa. Okay, cut. Masuk dalam. Okay, SMQ. Peace. Okay. Wait. Okay, we need to refer this table. But before we refer, we need to do a little bit modification. We need to modify something. Okay, we need to modify. So we need to have this form, reverse operation to get FT. Alright. So here we have this. So if we can compare, that's why you actually this table you need to print. It's more easier to refer. So better to print this table. Okay, better to print this table. So here this is S plus 3 to the power of 2. So maybe is here. We can manipulate it here. And this is S inside above. So is B can be any numbers. Okay. So here maybe related to this. AT cos BT. For 3s plus 1 and s square plus 1. So maybe we need to find this form first. This form, if we have s square, so we have s cube. But here s above 3. So here we need to do the partial fraction maybe. If you go to the example 4.11, okay, we have s square plus 4. Then this function we cannot get directly from this table. So because of that, we do the partial fraction first. So if we go to the 144, if we go to 144, 144 here, 144. So you can see here there is this function, and then all this function. So what they are doing, they do the partial fraction like this. Is partial fraction. We need to find what is A, B, and C first, and then after that we can separate this fraction to this form. Also happen the similar step they take for the second example B. We can see here 2s plus 1 over s square s minus 3. So we need to do the partial fraction first for a over s plus b over s square plus c over s minus 3. So we need to do this partial fraction and find the ABC. And then once we find the ABC, we complete this equation. So what we will have this. So from here we can directly get from the table. So what should we do here? What should we do here? We should do the partial fraction for the fs. Okay, for the s here, we can have, I think, okay. I think Asim already do the same thing. EAT. Okay, sekejap Okay, for the first for the first for the first for the first term here, so s over s plus 3 to of 3 plus 1. So we will have how do Asim do this? E cos t. How do Asim do? They Asim find the 1 over s minus 1. So s minus, okay, we can see the Asim do like this. Okay, we can see this. Asim do. How we get this? How we get this? How you get this? To get this, you should have. Okay, you should have. You need to follow the table. If see the table. Okay, if you go to the table, you can see E negative 50. So meaning you will have 1 over S minus minus. So the minus 3 minus A. The anything that in front of this A. So A here is negative 3. So you can see there A negative 3. So you will have 1 over S plus 3. But here you after that you separate this S square plus 1. So this thing, okay, this thing, is it similar to, okay, S plus 3 square plus 1, is it similar to 1 over S plus 3? And then we have another function here, which is S square plus 1. Is it similar? If similar, okay. But if not similar, so we cannot uh, use that table for the E. We need to choose another table. Okay, so we can see that it is not similar. It is not similar. So if you multiply here, you didn't get this, right? You didn't get this. You didn't get this. All right. So maybe we can do some manipulation here. Okay. So some manipulation here. I think the function is here. The function is here. Okay. The function is here. Okay. So anyone they have already the answer? Maybe you can share the answer. So if we can see here, we have E. Maybe we can write it back. Okay. So we have here from table we have EAT cos BT. EAT cos BT equal S minus A over S minus A square plus B square. Okay. So we have this. So actually this looks similar to this. This is square, sorry. This square. Actually this looks similar to this. You have square here. You have a value here. But we need to add a few things. We need to add a few things. Okay. Maybe the missing is here. The A here. We should add A here is as a 3. Minus 3. Should be S minus 3. So that's why so that we can get S minus A. So what should we have? We should have S minus 3 over S minus minus 3. And then the is square. Okay, the is square. So you should have the is minus A also. So the is minus. We need to create it back. So this become more familiar, more what, more look like the same lah. Okay, and then plus b square plus b square. B square is equals to b square equals to 1. So b equals to 1. So a equals to this. So that's why we will have, so to create this, 1 minute. Actually, we should have here, we should add a minus here so that we can get the value of A here. Once we, because we add something here, anyone can give some idea here how to make this? Because we can see here A is -3, B equals to 1 here. So obviously we can say that E -3t cos B equals to 1, so cos t. So but the problem is here. The problem is here. So S minus 3.
Doktor,
Yeah.
kat atas tu bukan kita boleh buat minus 3 plus 3 kat atas tu. Macam
Ha.
okay, minus
Yes,
3.
betul.
Lepas tu pecahkan boleh sambung terus kan doktor?
Supposedly macam tu lah. Sekejap ya.
Okay, doktor.
Betul. So, because kita ada lebihan ni. Lebihan ni tidak reflect kepada yang ni. Semula. So, we have S minus 3 over S minus 3 square. Okay, bracket besar. Plus 1. And then we have another 3 here, right? Because we add, actually there is nothing here. So you just reduce this S. Sorry. No S. There is plus. So we add minus 3. So plus 3 minus 3. So it is 0. So what will happen here is S minus 3 over S minus 3 square plus 1 square. And then we need to plus, boleh lah. Minus 3 and then again S minus 3 square plus 1. So here we already have E negative t cos t. And then is minus lah. Minus. We put minus here. Minus here. So here we need to see another formula inside here. Another formula. Macam mana? Kejap.
Yang formula tu boleh doktor? EAT sin BT pula.
Sin BT.
Ha.
So, yang ni pula kita kena modify dia. Yang ini kena jadi 3. Macam mana nak jadikan dia 3?
Bukan doktor, bukan boleh remove 3 tu daripada atas tu doktor.
Okay, remove jadi macam mana?
So kan pasal B kita, dalam kes ni kita boleh letak B tu 1 lah.
Okay, B kita 1.
So 3 tu just berkeluar daripada top part tu lah.
Dia jadi
1 kat atas ni.
Betul. Dia jadi pemalar dekat sini. Okay, dia jadi pemalar dekat sini. So, kita letak dia sebagai tolak. Tolak 3 kat depan. And then, kat atas ni jadi 1. So, 1 kat bawah. So, kat sini kita tengok B and this number. Okay, so now, 3. So, dia akan jadi negative 3. Yang ni adalah E negative 3t sin B. B is 1, so t. Sin BT. So, baru dapat untuk this expression. Okay, baru kita dapat settle yang ni. So, equals to E negative 3t cos t minus 3e negative 3t sin t. So we need to have another formula pula yang ni. So yang ni
Yang ni yang partial fraction atau
partial kan?
rational?
So kita kena buat partial fraction dulu baru kita boleh dapat yang ni. So 3s. Itulah panjang sikit kerjanya. So okay, yang ni kita kena tambah partial fraction nanti. So kita buat kat sini. So 3s plus 1 over s square plus 1. So partial fraction, kalau kita tengok balik chapter 1 dia ada buat revision sikit. So we have a over s plus b over s square plus 1. So now kita nak cari this value a and b. So apa yang kita boleh buat, kita compare this side and this side. So untuk compare this side, so kita kena samakan dia punya denominator. We need to the denominator we need to have a same denominator so that we can make this equation similar to this side. So to make this similar, so here we need to multiply with s square plus 1. Here is s square plus 1. And then here we need to times s. Here we need to times s. So what happened here, a equals to s square plus 1 plus bs. And then at the above here, there is a similar s and s square plus 1. And then 3s plus 1. So s square plus 1. So now for denominator, we can ignore first. So what should we have? This equation is equal. So meaning this equation should be similar to this equation. Okay. To know that, we compare. So we compare 3s plus 1 equals to a s square plus 1 plus bs. So main teka-teki sikit lah. So we want we let s equals to what? We need to make this 0, either a0 or b0. So first thing, if s equals to 0, so b will be 0, so we can find the a. So s equals to 0, so 3 0 plus 1 equals to a 0 plus 1 plus b 0. So a equals to 1. Okay, boleh? So b pula. So b, so let b equals to untuk cari b, lebih mudah to find b. Okay, to find b, so s will be s can be 0 tak? S ni boleh lah, tapi still boleh cari sebenarnya. It's okay. So dia tak akan dapat negative because s will be square here. So we let as a 1 because 1 we can easily to deal with. So 3 1 plus 1 equals to a 1 square plus 1 plus b. So we have 3 4 equals to 2 a plus b. So we know that a equals to 1, so b equals to 4 minus 2a. So we have b equals to 2. So we know that this will be okay, so 3s plus 1 over s apa ni? S s square plus 1 equals to a is a is a over s plus b what s square plus 1. Okay. So a equals to 1. A equals to 1, b equals to 2. A equals to 1, b equals to 2. So now we have from this equation, okay, from this equation we can separate to this equation. Okay, so now can we take Laplace? So we can take now the Laplace, the inverse of 1 over s and plus maybe here we can see first what in the table. Okay, in the table we have, is it we have 2? We need to have 1 here. So 1. So you can see here we have this. We have this. We sine. This is s square. Is here, for here no s square. So we need to find another form. So maybe here. So s square and then constant. So you can see that there is constant there. So for here we need to have a. So a equals to sin. So meaning these two we need to factor out 2 here outside. So you will deal with the Laplace transform of 1 over s square plus 1. S square plus 1 we can minus and minus 1. So this is minus also. Since this is minus, so here we need to minus. Okay. So we can see here we have a, the same a here, and s square. So reverse of operation here. So we will have sine or sine t. So actually no need to so here we can just easily, there is 1. So there is 1 a square. So there is a square. Okay. So 1 over s is a, which is this is equals to, okay, this is equals to okay, this is equals to apa ni? This is equals to a. This is a over s. So a here is 1, so equals to 1 a. So plus 2, okay, plus 2, this is similar to this, which is sine 2t, sine 1t, so sine t. So now we can combine all together. So we will have 1 plus 2 sine t. Okay. The answer is 3 sine t. I'm not sure. Maybe I made a wrong. It is 3s. But here I changed to 2s. That's why should be 3 here. It is 3s. So no, I think the answer is not correct. Yeah, I think you will get the similar answer with me. So the correct answer is this. These two, not 3. The answer at the back is 3. Okay. So we have E cos t minus 3 E negative 3 sin t plus 1 and then minus cos t and then 3 sin t. Because here. Okay, there is enough. There is enough. I think enough. Enough already. The answer is not correct. This is 3s plus t and then s. Okay. So you only have two term here. And then you get this. Once you get this, and then you will get, you combine the answer, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 only. Only 5 term. Only 5 term. So we accept this. This is our answer, our final answer. We accept this. Agree or not? You agree or not? Ada yang dapat tak macam answer kat buku teks tu? Hilang dah.
Tak buat lagi doktor.
Okay. Dah 45 minit. So, saya rasa yang tu kot. Saya rasa dia ada tersilap sikit kot. Kalau ikutkan ni memang dah betul dah. Sebab kita dah handle the first term ni. Handle the first term and then we get 2 term here. And then we settle out 3s plus 1. So 3s plus 1 we get this. And then supposedly we will get this answer lah. So try do it your own by your own. I think we can get the same answer. So we should have a same answer. If you get B, like the answer in the textbook, so please let me know because I want to know why that's happened. Okay, maybe you can try at home. So there is a few questions that you need to master in this chapter. There is one of the difficult thing lah that they will go they will ask in your final. So I hope you can complete study everything in this chapter. All right. So we continue our discussion next week. And then also the next week we will have a quiz. So all the best. So if you have any question, just drop in your what? in the WhatsApp group, or we can just directly contact me. So I think everyone is coming now. Is coming. Maybe one of you not coming. Chida, I think Chida is not coming. So thank you for your atten apa attention. So we meet again next week. Is it okay?
Okay lah.
We want to have another class tutorial for at the night. You want? Do you want the another class, but online
Can, Doctor, can.
this week? Can? If you can, esok lusa, Kamis malam boleh? Kamis malam. Kamis malam 2 jam untuk ganti hari Kamis hari tu. Boleh? Boleh ha? Saya angkatkan boleh. Semua dah angkat tangan tu. Okey,
Okey,
Kamis
Doktor.
malam kita buat online.
InsyaAllah Datuk.
Buat sikit tutorial so that we can discuss sikit. Mungkin another first shift ke? First shift kita ada berapa lagi yang macam agak susah jugalah. We have first shift property of the Laplace transform. Inverse we have discussed one question. And then we will have first shift property of inverse. First shift properties and then inverse of the Laplace. So the combination a lot of properties there. So it's more difficult. So for sure there is more marks there. Alright. Okay, we will continue because we have another subtopic which is initial value problem. So maybe this Thursday night we can discuss a few question for the initial value problem and the first shift inverse Laplace transform. Alright, 2 question. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Doktor.
Thank you, Doctor.
Alright.
Thank you, Doctor.